Alright, so we're back to recording the video of the birds. It's pretty cool. So they circle these billboards each night, and they swarm around these billboards, and they every pass by, when they finally get organized, more and more birds go inside the billboards for the night. And I've seen this now a couple times. That was pretty fascinating. Tonight it's sleeting and cold, and I thought they'd pile right in there, but they're taking their time. It's pretty awesome, really. I had to delete one of the recordings because I was running out of space, so. It's okay though, because they still haven't gone in here. It's pretty cool. It's amazing. Isn't that cool how they just all change direction at the same exact second? So once they get organized, they do flybys of the billboards, and small numbers of the birds go inside the billboards for the night, and they do pass us by until all the birds are inside there. It's pretty cool how they do it. I've been flying around for about 15 minutes now and watching them. As cold and sleety as it is, I thought they'd be in there. I thought they'd hurry up to get in there, but apparently they don't mind. So they're taking their time. Set of billboards on the other side of the road, and the group kind of splits, and part of them goes over there, and part of them stays over here. And a lot of the birds get in the other billboards. Some of them have already gone over there, but none have gone inside these billboards yet. So I'm not sure what the method is to their madness, but pretty freaking cool. Well, that's pretty neat, huh? Are there any bird behaviorists out there that can give me names for their behaviors? I'd be interested to know. And here they come. They're finally coming in over the billboards. Like they're looking like they're getting ready to start getting into the billboards. Alright, cool. Here we go. There we go. Very fluid motion. Isn't that neat? I think it's pretty cool. I'm gonna have to cut this video off pretty soon, so anyway. Yeah, they're starting to go into the billboards now. Yep, there they go. Oh, that is so cool. That's what I was waiting on right there. See it all going in now? And they'll just keep flying around and flying into the billboards. There they are, they're all flocking on it. That is the coolest thing. And they'll all pile in there for the night. A little bit protected from the wind and elements. Alright, that is all I've got